Archer fish is well known for its unique hunting skill. Unlike other fishes, archer fish likes to feed on land insects. The fish floats near the surface of water, awaiting spiders and insects. Once a target is directly above them, they prepare for their hunt by shooting a powerful stream of water to knock the insect into water. Once the target falls, they are quickly devoured. Archer fish have an elongated body that is laterally compressed, making it rather thin. The shape of its face is pointy around the mouth. This narrow profile allows it to have precise aim when taking down prey. This fish can grow 10 to 12 inches in length. Their body is silver with a gold tint across the back. They have 4 to 6 vertical bands across the body. It is also interesting to know that they are excellent jumpers. They can leap out of water to grab insects on low hanging branches. They can shoot water up to 5 feet above the surface of water. This species is mostly found in freshwater rivers, streams, and pools. Mud skippers. The mud skippers are different from other fishes. They can live both on land and in water. They have made many adaptations to live on the land. These fish use their fins to move around in skips. Hence, they are known to be the mud skippers. One of the most fascinating facts about mud skipper is that they do not only walk on land, but also they can climb rocks and trees. Mud skippers can breathe through their skin. They can only do this when they are wet. Hence, they can only live in humid places. They are mostly found in mangrove swamps and in rivers which are subject to tidal action. They can survive in a range of salinities. Mud skippers are fish which spend more time on land than in water. Like other fish, mud skippers breathe through gills, but in addition, they absorb oxygen through their skin and the lining of their mouths and throats. They can also flip their strong body to jump up to 2 feet in the air. Mud skipper has frog-like protruding eyes. The eyes are mobile and retractable. Their ability to climb, walk, and skip makes them unique from other fishes. Flying fish. The flying fish is unique from others for their gliding ability. Flying fish can be seen jumping out of warm ocean waters worldwide. They can travel at speeds of more than 70 kilometers per hour. This gliding skill helps them to escape from underwater predators like sharks and other fishes. The wing-like pectoral fins are primarily for gliding. The fish hold the fins flat at their sides when swimming. Flying fish have dark blue color on the top and silver below. They have large eyes and forked tail. Flying fish are commercially fished in Japan, Vietnam, and China by gill netting. There are approximately 64 species of flying fish. They can fly above the water for up to 45 seconds at a time. They can grow up to 18 inches long. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to find more such related contents. Thank you for watching.